Hey everyone, let's draw the human skull. What is the human skull? The skull is a vital and complex structure that plays a crucial role in protecting the brain and supporting various sensory organs. Parts of the skull is the parietal bone, frontal bone, occipital bone, temporal bone, sphenoid bone, nasal bone, maxilla, the teeth, the zygomatic bone, mandible, and styloid process. Now, let's draw the skull. Draw a horizontal oval. Under the oval, draw an L shape with a shorter vertical line and longer horizontal line. Then, draw an up curve between the L shape, placed at the bottom of the oval. Draw an up curve starting from the right side of the small up curve to the right curve of the oval. Draw a circular triangle between the up curve and the oval. Draw a reverse L shape with a short vertical line and a sharp bend in the middle, and a longer horizontal line from the big up curve to the first L shape. Draw a small left curve from the sharp bend to the slight bottom of the vertical line. Draw a square in the triangle. Draw a line from the up curve to the left curve. Draw a right curve starting from the vertical line of the L shapes, and then draw a line from the middle of the right curve to the other side of the L shape. Behind the L shape, draw a V shape with a line in the middle, sort of like a W but not quite a W. Draw 7 small ovals between the L shapes. Draw 2 horizontal lines starting from the top of the L shape and up curve. Have both lines narrow in the middle and wider at the other end, ending in the oval. Draw tiny lines between the small ovals. Draw a V line from the bottom of the up curve line to the bottom of the 2 parallel lines. Draw a down curve starting from the small up curve, turning it into an up curve just before reaching the line of the oval. From the top right side of the oval, draw a right curve going to the down curve line. Draw a small line between the right curve and the oval. Erase any unnecessary lines, and you have the human skull. For more lessons like this, visit Arts and Anatomy website with over 120 tutorials of the human body parts. Easy, educational, and move at your own pace. Get started now.